guys, this is the bowl I'll be using, and this is the one I want to revamp. I want to revamp a closure one and a frontal one. You can see I'm just trying to show you how dirty and how the ribbon looks, and you can see this is the gold one and the other one is black. This one is black and gold and the other one is pure black, and the two are called like waves. Yeah, waves air, waves man air. So now I'm just go ahead and put some shampoo, and then I'll wash the both first. I'll wash them first with the shampoo. And the type of water I'm using, I'm going to be using a boiled water, like a mixed water. How should I put it? A warm water. Okay, yes. I'm going to be using a warm water for the video. So keep watching. Keep washing, and you can see that the way I'm washing it, I'm not washing it as if I'm washing clothes. You can see the flow, you can see the way I'm washing. I'm not washing as if I'm washing clothes. So guys, keep washing. So guys, this was when I was done washing the two wig with the shampoo at first. You can see how dirty it is, what that looks like. So then guys, I'll just go ahead and wash it again. So guys, this is how the water looks like after washing the second time. So now I'll just go ahead and add conditioner on the 2 wigs. This is how I add the conditioner. I'll put them on the wig or put them on my palm, and then I'll rub it all around the wig, and after that I'll just go ahead and brush the wig after I've rubbed it with a conditioner. So make sure just rub it with the conditioner. I'll rub it with conditioner gently, massage it well with the conditioner, and then you use a ribbon brush to brush the hair. guys, I've had conditioner to the 2 weeks, and then I've brushed it. So now I'll just wait for some times for the conditioner to work well on the wig before I pour water and rinse it out. So just leave it for some times and then come back and pour water and just rinse the hair rinse the conditioner of the hair, just the way you are looking at it right on the screen. So just pour water on it. Don't forget, I'm using a warm water for the hair. So guys, I'll just go ahead and brush it again. After I have rinsed the conditioner of the hair, I'll just go ahead and brush it again. So this is the two hair when I've rinsed it out. Now I'm going to be using a Cantu leave-in conditioner. So you can go for any type of leave-in conditioner that you have. So I'm going for Cantu leave-in conditioner. So then guys, I'll just go ahead and add the conditioner on the wig. I'll go ahead and add it on the 2 weeks. Like, I'll make sure it touches all the parts of the wig, everywhere. It touches everywhere. So both the gold wig and the black wig, and make sure you massage this hair, this conditioner, this leave-in conditioner on the hair very well. And then I'll go ahead again and brush it. After applying the leave-in conditioner, I'll just go ahead and brush it again. Guys, this is, I've applied it on the both wig. So I have this bag, nylon bag, and you can use any type of nylon, and you can use any type of nylon to anyone you have and anyone you are convenient with. So that's it. I just put these two hair inside this bag, and then I will just seal it back just like this. Can see just the two hair, and then I'll put it back inside the bowl. And then after this, I'm going to pour hot water. No hot water, like boiled water, not really hot, not too hot, but it is hot. So I'll just go ahead and pour it inside the bowl, and the hair too is inside. It's not hot, it's not really hot, it's not yet boiled, so just have done water, like it's not really hot. So I'll just put inside this bowl and just use my towel to cover the bowl, so that I just want the heat to, I don't know even how to say it, I just want the heat and to enter that air very well. So I just go ahead and cover it with this towel, and then after 2 hours after 2 hours, this is after 2 hours, that's when I came to remove it. I remove it from the water. The water is already cold anyway, so but it has done what I want. God, after I remove this hair from this bag, if you see how soft this hair is, I'm very sure in the when the owner of this hair, like, I'm actually revamping this hair for a customer. I know when she bought this hair, it can't be soft like this. If you see how soft this hair is, I just feel like I should just bring it outside this camera. You people should touch it. It was very, very soft. So then, guys, I just go ahead and rinse the leave-in conditioner out of the wig also, just like this. Just go ahead and rinse it. I'll rinse the 2 wig, and then I'll go ahead and dry the wig. I went ahead and dry the wig. So make sure you rinse it after you remove from the nylon bag. Make sure you rinse it. I can see the way I squeeze the water out of the wig. So just take your time and rinse it well. Make sure you rinse out the leave-in conditioner from the wig. So after I've washed the leave-in conditioner away from the hair, just went ahead again and brush it. Can you see how soft? See the way the brush was just doing on the hair. Like, it's very soft, very smooth, just green. Even look at the coils, the hair waves, the coils. Look how it's looking. Like, it's already I don't even know how to put this thing. I don't know how to put it. It's already smooth. Look at the way it looks. Look at the coils. Wow, see the coils already. So guys, please try and like, share, and please subscribe to my channel to watch more of this, to watch more of it, and to know when, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I drop a video. So please, what are you waiting for? Subscribe like that. Yes, now to subscribe now. Thank you. So this is it. So this is the hair after I've sun dried it. So now guys, I'm just trying to show you how the hair looks after sun drying it. So now I'm going to use a straightener to straighten this hair. Okay guys. So this is the outcome, guys. So guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please, subscribing is very important, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified anytime I drop a video. Please subscribe, like, give it a thumbs up, and then share to your fellow friends. So guys, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.